Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to view Instagram stories without them knowing. So sometimes we don't want people to know that we have seen their story, right? So in today's video, you will get to see two methods of just viewing their story without them knowing. So head over to your Instagram application and just turn off all of your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and everything, and just turn on your flight mode. Once you have turned on your flight mode, just head over to any story and once you head over to any story, you can just see the story and it's done. And there's another method you can apply, that is turn on your mobile data and Wi-Fi, turn off your flight mode, and go to anyone's story you want to watch. And suppose I want to watch this first person story and I don't want them to know. So go to the second person story and just half swipe it. As you can see, I'm currently seeing that person's story and they doesn't even get the notification of it. So yeah, just half swipe it again and it's done. This is how you can view Instagram stories without them knowing. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and just stay tuned with us for more tech tips and tricks.